Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have another Guess What's in the Box video. So it's a small little Amazon box. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is the small Amazon box that we're going to be doing just a Guess What's in the Box video on. I'll unbox it afterwards on a different video. These Guess What's in the Box videos are just for fun. I do have a few people complaining that that they don't want, people want to see entertainment and people want to see tool demolitions and this and that, and to those people that are complaining on videos like this, okay, I'm not VCG Construction. I am not Tool Review Zone. I am not Workshop Addict. I am not any of those channels. I do not take an impact driver and punish it to the point of it smoking on hole saws and spade bits and all kinds of things, including destroying 50 pounds of wood that a tree died for. I don't do that. What I do is I demonstrate my tools being used on projects. So if you see me using an impact driver and demonstrating it, it's because I'm using it in building something out of wood, not because I wanted to destroy $400 worth of wood. So let me just get that out there. There are people that are complaining on these videos, and you can complain all you like, it's fine. I don't take any offense to your complaints. I'm just letting you know that if you want to see those things, go to those channels. I'm not one of those channels. So let's get to measuring. So the length of the box is 12 inches and 7/8 of an inch long. It is 8 inches and 3/8 of an inch tall. And it is 10 inches and 3/4 of an inch wide. What are your guys' guesses? What do you guys think that is in this box? I think there might be 2 items in this box. According to the tracking, there probably is 2 items in this box. But I do appreciate you guys listening to me. I apologize if the beginning of the video was me being a jerk, or however you take it. If I'm going to be doing demonstration videos, it's me demonstrating the tool in its use, being used appropriately, not being destroyed. Those channels have their thing. I do tool testing, yes, but it's not the same type of tool testing. I don't test a tool till it's failure. That's not my channel, and I'm sorry if that's what you're looking for. You're not going to find it on my channel. These videos are to have fun and be entertaining, to just get some comments on the channel and have people actual comment. I get lots of views, but I don't get any comments. These are one of those little things that because of COVID and everything, a lot of people are staying inside and they're looking for entertainment. I'm just trying to provide entertainment. It's a guessing game. We've been doing the guessing games since we were little kids. Every single one of us has done it, and you cannot say you haven't. Every person on this planet, whether it was a boy or girl, has done the guessing game. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And you guys are interested in tools like I'm doing on this channel, and you guys like Milwaukee tools, go over and check out the live stream I did for episode 1 for the pipeline event. There's lots of cool tools that they've released. I left links down below to Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools. And I also left links that, there's a couple tools that I'm interested in grabbing that, you can click on those, or you can click on the main link that shows the whole page of pipeline tools. Anything you pre-order would be helpful with me. If you guys want to pre-order tools, it's a good way to go, and it gives me a little bit of money in my pocket to be able to purchase tools as well, and it don't cost you anything extra. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.